Hello everyone, this is Riddhi Taude from Gossipfunda. Our today's video focuses on the Roblox app not working. Roblox is a gaming application which might sometimes cause errors and cannot work properly. So let us look at the steps. First is to uninstall Roblox and reinstall it. For this, you need to have to long press on the application and then click on uninstall. Once uninstallation is done, you need to go to your Play Store and over there you need to search for the Roblox application and simply click on install and upgrade if there is any new version available. This would clear the problem and the app would start working properly. Now we have the step 2, that is restart your phone. For this, you need to long press on your side button and then just drag in to restart the phone. A simple restart always clears any software glitches or problems when an app is not working. Step 3 is to clear the cache of the Roblox app. For this, you need to go to the settings by clicking on the settings gear and then you have to scroll down to apps. Over here, you need to click on app management and then search on the Roblox application. Once you have reached the Roblox app, tap on it and over here you need to go to storage usage and clear the cache. This would remove any previous memory of the application and would clean the application. Step 4 is to log out of all other devices. This is an essential step as it might be not working due to multiple logins in different devices. So for this you need to go to the settings gear and over there you have to log out from the application. Thank you. Hope that the video has enlightened you with some cool tips and tricks. Do like, share and subscribe to our channel Gossip Funda.